Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 international school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's begin the video. In URL you can put www.mtview.id. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, Mountain View Christian School, Indonesia. In right corner one of the option staff available. If you click this link, one of the options staff needed. So Mountain School actively seeking 21-22 school year teaching position, elementary teacher, primary and intermediate, secondary science teacher, physics, chemistry, biology, secondary social studies teacher, special education teacher, and home parents, married couple they are preferring. So here they are given what are the job description, so online application, everything they are given. Before that they are given what are the benefits you can get. So they are given here. How to apply also they are given. So application form and complete your online application. Prepare a resume. In your resume you can put your educational background and teaching certification, your teaching and student teaching experience with the description, dates and supervisors, your applicable work experience outside of teaching with a brief description and dates. So these are the things you have to do in your CV. Otherwise, you can send your current resume and signed statement of faith to employment@mtview.id. So these are the things they are given here itself. So before that we can check what are the job description. So general job description only they are given here. So what are the benefits they are providing also they are mentioned. Annual stipends, tuitions, continuing education, medical insurance, airfare, legal documentation, taxes, housing and utilities. So everything you can check it from in this job description page. If you are satisfied you can apply as per the instructions. International teacher application also they are given. If you click this link you can get what are the application for international teacher application, International Mountain View Christian School. First one is personal information, personal history, position for which you are applying, references, personal references, Christian background. Then finally you can give your mail ID, then you can submit. Once you are submit your application you can get acknowledgement mail. If you have any doubt in this school you can check menu itself what are the things they are following. So everything you can get it from in menu. So this is the Mountain View Christian School, Indonesia. The second one is American International School, Johannesburg in South Africa. Here also there are seeking few vacancies, 21-22. IB Diploma Geography and High School Social Studies teacher, Technology teacher partner and substitute teachers. These are the vacancies for in this school. If you are interested for Technology teacher partner you can click in this link. Otherwise, for example, if I am applying geography teacher, I am click this link. Here they are given position overview, what are the qualification they are seeking, skills and experience, performance responsibilities. Here they are given job description. Application, in order to complete the application part, please click here to complete the electronic form. So if you click this link you can get one of the electronic form. So your first name, last name, then your passport details, teaching certification, which position you are applying. So finally you can attach your CV. If teaching couple applying mean they are give preference. So everything you can enter. Finally you can give submit. Once your application submitted you can get acknowledgement mail. In this school what are the salaries they are offering also they are mentioned here. So this is overseas salary scale. The minimum salary $37,890 per annum to maximum they are providing $84,340. Depends upon your experience only they are giving salary. And what are the benefits also you can get from here they are mentioned. Overseas higher benefit, that means leave, airfare, professional development, insurance, cars and getting around, South African tax income, pension, retirement age, housing, shipping allowance, medical insurance, visas. These all the things are they are providing. And living in South Africa also they are mentioned here. So all the things you can check it from here. Please note that only shortlisted applicants only will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. The third one is Morrison Academy, Taiwan. Here also they are offering few vacancies. You can enter www.mca.org.tw. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page. Here one of the option employment. If you click this link employment, you can get what are the vacancies available in Morrison Academy. These vacancies, all vacancies are 21-22 here. Here check our job openings. Current job openings, that is anticipated openings. Principal, learning needs specialist, high school Spanish teacher, high school mathematics, elementary school teacher. These are the vacancies. For example, if you are applying high school mathematics, please check your job description here itself. If you are satisfied all those things, you can apply as per the instructions. So here they are given. What are the qualification they are seeking also they are given. What are the work requirement, salary range. If you want to see the salary range, please see current Morrison Academy personal handbook. So everything they are mentioned here. How to apply also here, apply now. If you click this link apply now, you can get one application, preliminary application form. Once you have filled all those things, you can submit your application. Once you have completed your application, you can get acknowledgement mail. Hiring timeline is, in this school, most hiring decisions are made in December and January in the following year. So early fall application are encouraged. It is best to have your application completed by the middle of December. So salary and benefits here mentioned. Salary, retirement plan, housing, healthcare and relocation expenses. And the other topic related expatriate employment, please review the entire expatriate personal and administrative section in the procedure manual. So if you click this expatriate personal and administrative section, you can get it. What are the expatriate teaching salary, you can get it from the handbook itself. So these are the things. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.